here we are. So let's open it. Gotta try to do this one-handed. There we go. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cool. All right, sorry, I'm having a little moment here. Let's put this to the side. Let's put it back here. And then check what else we have here. So it looks like it's a little bit of information, tells you the benefits that you get, and some other info. Oh, you get a little name badge as well. That's neat. Let's put that back here. Oh, we get a pin? That's so cool. All right, so how do I get this out? I'm guessing the award itself is in here. Yeah, let's put it down here for a second. That's kind of heavy. There's some more info here that I need to read. Open and read immediately. So you get some stickers. That's awesome. Code of conduct. I'm gonna make sure to read this after I open that box. And then I guess this is just if you lose it. If lost it, yeah. Alright. So some paperwork. I'm gonna set this over here. And now let's open this one up. Some packing gel. First ring, baby. And can I get this out with one hand? No, I don't think so. Let me take it out of the box and then I'll record again. I got it. Here it is. And now we just put this ring in here. There it is. Oh, it's so nice. It looks super cool. I'm gonna find somewhere, quickly fix up my desk and see where I can put it. But that's so neat. It's so cool.